Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix network cable unplugged in Windows 11 and 10. You just simply come over into your search option over here, and then here you just need to search for network connections. You can see is the option. So click on that network connection options, and then here you will find the option called Ethernet. So click on the right mouse button, click on disable and click enable another time. I hope this will fix your problem, but if it's not, and now what you need to do is just to click on the right mouse button, go for the properties section, click on that, and then here you will find the option called QoS package scheduler. So click on the right and then select the QoS package scheduler. So click configure and then click yes, and there will be a Realtek PCLE family controller properties. So click on the advanced section. And from here, you just need to scroll down a little bit and go for speed and duplex. So click on that and then go for the value section. So click on that and then click on the 100 Mbps half duplex. Click on that. Click OK. If it's problem solved yet, then it's fine. But if it's not, then come over into the 100 Mbps full duplex. Click OK and your problem will be solved. If it's not yet, then just simply click on the auto negotiations. Click OK. So you just need to simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, go for settings, and then you just need to go for the network and internet section, and then click on the advanced network settings, click on that, and then you will find the option called network reset over here. So click on that and then simply click reset now, and it will solve your problem completely. So this is how we can fix network cable unplugged in Windows 11 and 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.